All right, hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Let's talk today about how to do a jumping reverse punch. It's a great dynamic technique, good to close the distance. Also a surprising technique that you can do sometimes when, even if he's close to you, you can just jump up and throw the punch from up there, or you want to jump and close the distance and throw that punch. That's great, but sometimes you got to be careful. He may not counterattack you with some kind of a side kick or a back kick or some other kick, all right? It's a surprise technique. You can set it up with either a back fist or something else and then throw the jumping reverse punch. Nowadays, with all this MMA and all this stuff going on, they've given this fancy name to it, Superman kick. I mean, Taekwondo, we've done this for, ages, forever. Superman, where'd that come from? Anyways, it's a jumping reverse punch. So you're gonna jump in the air and you're gonna throw a reverse punch. For that, refer back to my tutorial on reverse punch that we did before in one of my videos, my 177 videos that I've done. Refer back to that video. I will also add the link below to that video. So refer back to the reverse punch. Get that right before you can do the jumping reverse punch, okay? Again, it's a jumping reverse punch. There's no Superman, Batman, Spider-Man, any man involved here. It's you, a Taekwondo man, a martial artist man involved in this punch. Good stance, a good jump, good close in, and a good solid reverse punch. Okay, so let's go ahead and do it. Oh yeah, before we do that, how about some likes and subscribes on the channel and shares, right? I see a lot of people who are still watching my videos who are not subscribed. So please go ahead, subscribe to it. That helps us, that helps the channel grow and keeps me motivated to making more videos for you guys and throwing more content out there. Okay, so let's get to the jumping reverse punch. Cut it. Now talking about jumping reverse punch, right? First thing is you want to close the distance, so you want to jump up. As you jump up, you want to throw that reverse punch. That's your reverse punch, right? That's your reverse punch. That's your reverse punch, okay? So, right from there, you want to jump up in the air, have a nice jump. Your opponent standing there in front of you. You want to close the gap. Guys, all the time, you really don't have to jump very high. High looks good for demonstration purposes, but yeah, definitely. So you're here and you're going to jump, right? As you jump, baho, and you're going to jump and throw that punch. All right, so that is your jumping from here, and then you throw the reverse punch, okay? I did it very slowly so that you guys could watch the move. So right from here, you jump up. As you jump up, boom. And at the same time, you're actually kicking your leg, your reverse back leg in the back. That kind of gives you that push to go in and throw that punch. So I want to close the gap with Austin here, and I'm fighting here. I want to close the gap from here. And I want to jump up in the air, baho, and throw that reverse punch, okay? So that's a good application for that punch from here, baho, and right in there, okay? That's your jumping reverse punch. If you notice, I'm not jumping really very high. Might be like maybe 6 to 8 inches off the floor, right? All you need to do is a dynamic entry and go, and then throw that punch, okay? Yeah? For demonstration purposes, boom, and then you throw that punch. That's okay too, right? That kind of makes it look good. But right from here, you're standing over here and you're fighting from here, baho, and then throw your jumping reverse. So again, right from here, you stand there, fighting position, boo, and throw your jumping reverse punch. Okay, that is more of a fighting application. That's more also fighting, also demonstration, both, okay? So you've seen how we do that. You jump, reverse punch, okay? So hopefully we'll see you in the next video again. Again, remember, subscribe, like, and share. Thank you. Until the next time.